Okay, let's see what this emblem looks like from ICB Motorsports. EDM DC2 Type R ITR rear Honda emblem. The code is DC2088. So with this JDM Honda emblem, the best fit for this would be the H, the end of this H right here is going to cover that hole, and the back of this A, the top of the back of this A is going to cover this hole. And so I'm going to use duct tape to guide me to make sure I put it on straight, and then I actually gave me a guide here of where I'm going to tape the emblem, where I'm going to start from it. So before I peel the sticker off the back of this emblem, I want to make sure that my surface is clean. So the best thing to do is, what I did was, my tape is my guide for my straight edge, and then I went ahead and I put the top part of the emblem, because I didn't want to stick it all the way on yet, because just in case I messed up, I will be able to pull it out and fix it. And you know, once it's on, it's on pretty strong. But once you got that in and your holes are covered, go ahead and you can go ahead and press the emblem on. And I apologize for the fuzziness of the camera. I'm doing this in a garage, and I'm like right up against the garage door, so it's hard for me to get this on, but if you like this video and haven't hit the like and subscribe button, please hit the like and subscribe button, and please share this video. Thank you.